Now I'm going to set up and test my MySQL database connections. So I'm in the dashboard of the PHP MyAdmin, and I'm going to create a database. I'm going to call this testDB. Create it. You can see it right there on the left. Back in Codio, I'm going to the app folder. In there we have the config folder. Open that up, and then open the database.php file. I'm going to come down to MySQL, and then the database name is going to be testDB. Username is root. Password is root. Save that file. Now back in the routes.php, I'm going to add in a bit of code to create a table inside the testDB database with a few columns to store data. I got a code snippet I'm just going to copy and paste in. There we are. Save that. So I'm going to open up the URL. Once I open up and load up this, the home page basically is going to trigger this route and this code, which is going to create that table in the database. So I'm going to click on box URL up here. Okay, loads up the page, which means it should have triggered that code to create the table, and I can verify that by going back into PHP MyAdmin. And then right here on the left, click on my database, testDB, and I can see it right here, paintings. That's the table. So click on that, click on structure, and I see my columns created right there. So now, with the basic configurations for this box and this sandbox to develop with Laravel and PHP, we are set to move forward with creating some applications.